Today, I'm going to show you my review and a how-to on the Binditek comb binding machine. And this is actually the starter kit that came with the 100-piece half-inch binding combs. These half-inch combs have a 90 sheet capacity, but Binditek does also sell other diameter combs as well to fit your binding needs. Now let's get into a demonstration of how to use this binding machine. I did want to share with you guys that the directions say that this can hole punch up to 12 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time. I typically use 24-pound paper, and I have found that my best number is about 4 to 5 pages at a time without having to push down too hard on the handle. You'll see you line it up, and right here you just hole punch down. It is for letter size paper. When you have hole punched all the pages in your project and you're ready to add the coil, you want to make sure that the teeth of the coil, you'll see here, are facing up when you insert this into the back of these vertical metal bars. Then you'll just pull the handle back and the teeth will open. When you have finished hole punching your whole project, then you just line it up, the hole punches onto the teeth. It really is so simple. I'll show you a close-up here of what it looks like when they're fitted in, but it has not been closed yet. Then you just pull the handle back to a neutral position and the binding closes. Whether you're binding homeschool materials, projects for work, or your kids' art projects, this binding machine is really awesome.